So hello everyone, you are welcome back. So let's continue with our video editing process. So in this video we are going to be talking about sound effects and transitioning. So what do you mean by sound effect and transitioning? When we say sound effect, it means all those icons that we have put, those b-roll that we call b-roll. So we are going to be putting sound as they are coming in, and then transition, there are some images that is going to come before those things come. So but you understand what I'm saying very soon now. So let's play our video first. Arts are essential to human life because they allow people to express ideas, emotions, and experiences that what. So all this look at it like this image now. So once it wants to come in, there is going to be like a sound effect that is going to come. You understand? So there are a lot of sound effects, different sound effects. So we have shutter click, we have whoosh, we have a lot of things. But any sound effect you want in this world, just go to YouTube. You are going to get it there. Any sound effect. Let's go first. Let's go to YouTube and go and search for sound effects. YouTube. So let's search for maybe a whoosh. Let's see. Whoosh. Let's see this. You can see. So these are sound effects. You can check anyone. You can take anyone. So you can see. So anyone you want, you can get it from YouTube. So let's go back to our video. So once you want it, so and you get the one you want, so what you are just going to do is to copy. For example, let's say you want to use this one, this sound effect. So you are going to copy the link and then you go to your vidmate. I'm sure by now you must have vidmate. So you go to this vidmate. You remember you have to go and download it from Chrome. You don't have it on your Play Store. So you go to the vidmate and then go and put it inside. You understand? So once you get here, you are going to put your URL here. So put your URL, paste, and then you search for it. So once it come on, you just click on download any kind of sound effect you see. Just come here. You're going to see. So download. So I'm going to download it. So meanwhile, there's something I want to tell you. Make sure that you don't use like more than 3 sound effects in all your work. 3 types of sound effects. There are some people, they will be using more than 10 sound effects. They'll be using more than 10 sound effects. So it doesn't make sense to do as if it's a child that edited the video. So just use like three that you like. For me now, I like the whoosh sound very well. So I used to use it very well. So I use the whoosh, I use shutter click. You understand? There are a lot of it, but just use the one you like. So let's go and check whether it has downloaded. So I think it has downloaded. Look at it. This is it. So now we can go to our video and go and start editing. So from the beginning, I'm going to add a sound effect. I'm going to add the whoosh sound effect. You understand? And then another thing is, don't let your sound effects don't let the sound be higher than your sound. That's your voice. You understand? So here now, let's add sound effects. So how do you add sound effect? Just come to this audio, come to this music. So when you get to this music, you click on this extract from video. So you click on this. So yeah, extract. So let's see. Art and painting are essential to human. So let's see. Art and painting are essential to human life. So human life because they allow people to. So this sound effect, you have to reduce the volume. Let's see, volume. Reduce it. Let's see. Art and painting are essential to human life. So split. And then delete. Let's see. Art and painting are essential to human life. So now they allow. So now this place, at this point that this art and painting is coming in, I'm going to add sound effect to. Painting are essential. So I'm going to add sound effect too. So I think I can add whoosh also here. I can add whoosh there too. Art and painting are essential. So I can add whoosh here, that this one is going to come. So let's see. So come to audio, come to effect. So this place too, the app also have some sound effects too. So let's see. Transitions. So let me use this one. Let me add it. So let's see. Arts and painting are essential to human. Painting are essential. So volume. Art and painting are essential to human life because they allow people to express ideas, emotions, and emotions. So these emotions, I'm going to add whoosh. So let me go and search for another type of whoosh. Let me see. I want to search for another type of whoosh. And I think this one is nice. So I think this one is nice. So I'll just go to vidmate and download it. Vidmate. So you can see this is like a long whoosh. So this time I want a short one. Paste. So go download. So I'll come back to my InShot. Emotion. So this place is where I want to add the whoosh. And emotions. So this is where I want to add the whoosh. So I'll just come to music, extract from audio, and then bring this one in. I'm coming, please. So yeah, save. So yeah, I'm going to add this one. So let's see. People to express ideas, emotions, and experiences that words alone cannot fully explain. Through colors, lines, and form. So here I want to add transition effect. So what do you mean by transition effect? Line. So let me show you. So we can go to YouTube and look for so we can search for film born transition. Sorry, it's on YouTube. Film born. So we can search for film born transition. So let's see what it is going to be. Okay, something like this. Let's see this one. So something like this. So after you get it, you are just going to copy the link and then come to vidmate. Where's vidmate? And download it. Let's come here. So come here. I'm going to paste it. So you are going to download it. So go back to your InShot. So let's play lines and so before, let's see. So I'm going to come to PIP, then bring it in. Lines and so autofill, let it fill until it cover, So now after that, you are going to so I'm going to split this place. I'm going to split it. So I'm going to delete this one. So let me return it. So I'm going to shift it here. Let me play it. Cannot fully explain. True colors, lines, and I'm coming. So I'm going to reduce the volume. I don't need the volume of this one. You understand? So words alone cannot fully explain. So this place is enough for me. Words alone cannot fully is enough for me. So here I'm just going to split it and then delete this part. So look, words alone cannot fully explain. It's supposed to be transition. It's supposed to be for transition. You understand? So I think this place, lines and fonts. So it should be something like here. Lines and fonts. Should be. True colors, lines and fonts. So yes, it's okay now. So now I'm going to make sure it cover up very well. So let's play it. Explain. True colors, lines and fonts are. So I want to increase it a bit. Lines and fonts. Artists communicate feelings such as joy. So this place, I'm going to put like a transition effect. So I'm going to put whoosh also. So yes, so I'm going to put transition effect. I have anyone here, so I'll go and put that whoosh that I used before. I think this is it. Yeah, emotions and experience. I'm going to duplicate it. And then I'm going to pick it and bring it here. So I'm going to bring it somewhere here. Lines and fonts. So let's see. True colors, lines and fonts. True colors, lines and fonts. Artists communicate feelings
such as joy, sorrow.
So here, joy, sorrow. I'm going to bring in like a whoosh also. So whoosh for joy. Let me see the one that is best that I can use.
Art and painting are essential to human life.
So let me see this.
Lines and form.
So I can use this. So I'm going to duplicate it, and bring it here. Let's see.
Such as joy, sorrow, hope.
So I'll duplicate it again. Then I'll bring it around here. So let's see.
Sorrow, hope, and
so this sorrow, I'll bring it close. So let's see.
Sorrow, hope, and
So
struggle.
you can see.
Joy, sorrow, hope, and
So
struggle.
this hope too, we are going to duplicate it. Let's see.
Sorrow, hope, and struggle.
So hope, you can put it around here. Let's see.
Sorrow, hope, and struggle.
So hope,
hope, and struggle. Sorrow, hope, and struggle. Help.
So struggle, you can duplicate it also and bring it.
Hope and struggle. Help. And struggle. Helping viewers connect deeply with both the artwork and the artist. This emotional connection builds empathy and understanding among.
So this empathy and understanding, I can use maybe like shutter click. You understand? Shutter click that it falls from up. So let's see. So let me search for shutter click. Shutter click. I hope you are seeing how I'm getting all these things now. So I'll search for shutter click. No, sorry. So I'll search for shutter click. Shutter click transition sound effect. So let's see. Shutter click. Let's see this one.
Unwrap joy, unleash taste.
This one doesn't make sense. Shutter click, shutter click, shutter click. Let's see. Let's see this one. Yeah, this one is nice. So I can use this one. So I can copy the link, go to my vidmate, and then I'm going to download it from vidmate. So all these things, I'm just doing it in a haste. You understand? So you have the opportunity to do it if you calm down. You understand? And put more. So I'm just showing you the basics, basically. You understand what I'm saying? So from my assignment anyway, I'm going to see all the mistakes and every other thing, so I'm going to correct it. So now it has downloaded. I'll come to here. I'll come here. So
This emotional connection builds empathy and
empathy and understanding. So before empathy, I'm going to come to audio, music, extract, and this one. So I'm going to reduce it. So save the extract video as music. So let's see.
emotional connection builds empathy and understanding among people.
So you can see empathy.
Connection builds empathy and understanding among.
Then I'm going to duplicate it. And understanding was duplicate. So let's see.
A connection builds empathy and understanding among people.
So this one, I can pick it and bring it around somewhere here. So let's see.
Connection builds empathy and understanding among.
So I can still bring it. I want it to click when it mentions understanding. You understand? So that's what I want to do. So let's see like this.
Empathy and understanding among people from different cultures.
So how do you see it? You see it makes sense.
Connect deeply with both the artwork and the artist. This emotional connection builds empathy and understanding among people from different cultures and backgrounds. Finally, art and painting add beauty to our environment.
So beauty to our environment. So I can use that transition element also again. So I think this is it. So this is it. I'm going to duplicate it, and then I'm going to move it here. So I'm going to move it here. I'm going to move it here. So where's the environment? So I'm going to move it around here. So I'll move it around here.
To our environment, they inspire imagination.
You can see.
Beauty to our environment, they inspire imagination, enrich education, and remind.
So here I can add pop-up sound. This place.
Enrich education and.
So let me see. Pop-up sound. So I can add pop-up sound. Yeah. Pop-up. Pop-up sound effect. So let me see. Let's see this one. I don't think pop-up is going to make sense. I think the whoosh sound is okay. The whoosh sound is still going to work. So here I can still
of the power of education and remind us of inspire imagination, enrich education, and remind us.
So I'm going to still add the whoosh sound here. So the whoosh sound. So audio, music, so extract from video. I think this is it. So let's see.
Enrich education and remind us of
So something like this.
imagination. Enrich education and remind us
Sorry.
Enrich education and remind us of the power of human creativity in shaping a meaningful and expressive world. Thank you.
So let's see. Let's see what we have created.
Art and painting are essential to human life because they allow people to express ideas, emotions, and experiences that words alone cannot fully explain. Through colors, lines, and forms, artists communicate feelings such as joy, sorrow, hope, and struggle, helping viewers connect deeply with both the artwork and the artist. This emotional connection builds empathy and understanding among people from different cultures and backgrounds. Finally, art and painting add beauty to our environment. They inspire imagination, enrich education, and remind us of the power of human creativity in shaping a meaningful and expressive world. Thank you.
So basically, that is what it is about. You understand? So, but I trust you. I know you can do something really better. You understand? So, and I I have some other jobs I'm going to send to you, like for you to watch and see what are the things that was used in it. Understand? But I'm going to be stopping here as far as the transition is concerned. And then the next video, I think that's the last video, it would be background sound. And that would be it for our via video editing tutorial. I hope you have a lovely time. Peace.